Hello, beautiful manifestors. It is Olivia Grace, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, we are going to be manifesting some money. This is something that you can apply and reapply to manifest money. So, and when I say this is going to force you to manifest money, it really is. I don't just say things, I deliver on what I'm about to say, okay? So those of you that have been here know that, but if you're new here, welcome. This is the Master Manifestor channel. I am Olivia Grace. I talk about law of assumption, manifestation, all that good stuff. So if you would like to be a part of the community, you can subscribe, like the video, comment, share it with someone that you think it will help. I do have some offers for coaching next year. I have 2 group programs, 30 Days to Manifest Anything. It's a 1-month program, and a 3-month program, Blissful, Effortless Life, which is for training your state into your God state so that you manifest on autopilot and manifest multiple things in your reality. So you guys can email me if you're interested in either of those. And they are both on a 50% off flash sale for the day. So email me and join today if you would like to. I'm also having a 3-day money manifestation masterclass that's going to be happening next week. And the info's in the description for that as well. All right. So without further ado, let's get into the video. It's not going to be long because it's not hard. Okay. And I want you to pay attention to how your body reacted to me saying that. It's not hard, right? What was your body's answer or rebuttal to that? Was it something like, it is hard, or it's always been hard for me, or maybe it is for other people, right? Pay attention to that. And then what I want you guys to do first and foremost is to suspend your beliefs about money just for the duration of this video, okay? If you believe money is hard, you believe that you're not good at manifesting money, you believe all that, I want you to just tell your mind, this video is probably not going to be more than 15 minutes long. Just for this moment in time, we are going to just put to the side the beliefs that we have around money, okay? That it has to take time, that you have to do something, that you have to have some type of avenue that you don't have, all right? And then that brings me to the next part. Let go of the how, okay? This is so imperative, you guys. And this is something that prevents people from manifesting money because they can't fathom how. But the good news is you don't need to fathom how, right? You just need to mentally be dwelling in the place where you have it now, okay? Where it's yours, where it's done, where it happened, all right? So let go of the how, you guys. There are so many infinite ways for money to come to you. But when you decide that this way, my job is the only way, and I don't get paid for another week, or my friend or whoever pays my bills is the only way, and I'm not talking to them, or they've already given me what they're going to give me for this time, right? Whatever it is, I want you to just let that go and be open to receiving, okay? Be open to receiving, but also going into the assumption of having it already is the best way to combat the doubt and the feeling of how is this going to happen, okay? The next part is to ask yourself, what if it were easy for you? What if it were easy for you to manifest really anything, but especially money, okay? I want you to feel that in your body really quick. Because when we think of manifesting money, or even just think of money in general, it tends to be a tensing experience, right? It's hard. We assume that it's difficult. We, plan for difficulty and all of those things. I want you to just ask yourself right now, what if it were easy for you? Don't try to make that be true, but I want you to imagine that it was easy for you. I want you to think back to circumstances, right, where you needed money. What if in those circumstances it was so easy? You knew when I call money, it comes. All I have to do is put my mind on it and it comes. Or maybe even to the point where it just comes automatically. I just always have money. Money's always available to me. What if it were easy for you? What would that feel like? I want you to really, this is important, you guys. I want you to sit with that, right? Assume it. You are now in a reality where manifesting money is easy for you, okay? It happens every time for you. You never miss, you never fail, you're never off. You get exactly what you call every time. How's that feeling to you in your body? Even if you were in a circumstance where you needed money that you seemingly didn't have, if you know I'm a master at manifesting money, would it really matter, right? So what if it were easy for you? Now, I want you to close your eyes if you can. If you can't, you can just hear this. I want you to let yourself have the money in imagination and experience yourself having it, okay? Experience yourself having it. So whatever amount that you came to this video to manifest, I want you to right now, I want you to go to the morning after you received it. How is life different for you? Right? How is life different for you? How are you waking up as the person who received it yesterday? The money came, you have it now, you manifested it. What does that mean to you? Does that mean that a bill that you needed to pay is paid? Feel into the relief of that. Does it just prove to you that you're at your next level of manifesting? Feel into that. Feel into the mastery. Does it mean that you get to buy a beautiful trip now? Feel into that excitement. Right? What does that mean to you? Okay? Hear someone now congratulating you. Hear yourself telling someone, I manifested this money. I decided I was going to have this money and it came. And I want you to hear that person shocked. See their face. See their eyes wide. Right? This should be a trusted person. Who would you tell? Who would you talk to? Right? See their expression. Hear their voice as they congratulate you. They're so excited for you. They're so excited for you. Okay? And now, I want you all to accept that this is enough. Accept that this was enough. Accept that for just a minute, feeling into the ease of it. Allowing yourself to experience it is enough, that it is here now. And if you were expecting that money to show up, what is something you would do? You don't have to do this part. But if you were really expecting that money to show up, if you knew, and when you feel that, but, remember where you are now. You're in the reality where this is easy for you. It's always been easy for you. It always comes when you call it. You're in that reality now. You don't have those same beliefs anymore. You're a new version of yourself. This new version of yourself doesn't have those beliefs. This new version of yourself receives all the time, every time. So just imagining, just pretending, just for this video, we still got a few minutes of just pretending. What would you do if you expected that? If you really believed that? If you knew, just like you knew when you press play on this video, it's going to play. You knew. I summon the money, it's coming. What would you do because of that? What would you do because of your expectation of that money showing up? Okay? Now, as I said, let this be easy, you guys. Let it be easy. Money is the energy of ease. It truly is, you guys. And when you understand that, you see why people have struggled in the past to manifest money. Because it's given the appearance that it's hard. And so we bring that hard energy into manifesting money, the struggle energy into manifesting money. But money is actually ease. It is the energy, the texture, the vibe of ease. So can you accept that it's done? Can you find ease in your body right now? Can you find ease in your body? Meditation could help with this. Okay? So I'm intending that this helps you. This prospers you. I'm intending that you receive money within 24 hours of listening to this. Every time you listen to it. Okay? Every time. Allow yourself to receive. Allow yourself to be greater than your circumstance. Because you already are. Okay? Sending you all infinite love. Email me for coaching and for the masterclass. And I will see you guys in a video soon.